Another day and another scalping session. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Zeb Monopoly Psychology channel. We're gonna go ahead and trade US Tech 100. Do not blink in this video because this is going to be high frequency trading. Now, as usual, I'm trading the NASDAQ, which is US Tech 100. And everything you see here, all the trades are commission free and zero fixed spreads. Just so you wonder if I'm closing a trade quickly, am I paying commission on it? Because that would be a concern with the way I trade here, is to pay commission on every trade. So let's go ahead, 1 hour time frame. There's music in the background to help you guys focus. So this is my support established on the hourly, and you notice it has gapped up already. So the new candle, which is acting like a wick, this is actually a bullish candle, it just doesn't know it yet. But the market isn't ready for it. So as I zoom in, I will find my trade to go long. And there it is, guys. Okay, here it is. Here's where I should be heading long, this level. So I'll just wait for that dip by 24 points, and I will take that long from this level. The reason is, well, I could go here or here, but this is closer, and I think we've established it. So let me zoom in now to 5 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna come here, guys, and if I'm impatient, I can look for resistance to sell, which is here. Okay, but I like this candle. It's indecisive. It pretends like it wants to go up. Another part of it says it wants to go down, but it will go down to 27. So I'm gonna just open the sell here because I notice it's weak. So I just opened the short position on it. Yes, there is a potential to go up here, no problem. I mean, I didn't open this trade with a stop loss, but I should. I should add my stop loss. And here's another 10 contracts. Not this one. It's this one we're aiming for. So let's go 5 minutes. 3 minutes maybe. This red candle should, well, turn red. And here is, on this trade, $104. And the second trade, okay, should we take 50? All right, we'll take 46. So I'm up $150 in 2.5 minutes of this video. So you've seen how that trade happened. It was high frequency. Now I do have another target which I set myself, which is the 27. Remember, we said that's support. So I'm gonna wait here for a little dip to that level. This time I will use a stop loss of 15 points. So wow, you see that? See that liquidity grab, guys? I've opened the sell position as well, because this specific liquidity grab, or maybe it's not a liquidity grab, maybe we give back the profit of 150 in this trade. But previous experience tells us that the market is like an algorithm. It needs to go to support, to resistance, before coming down again. So resistance is possibly where I get stopped, and I'll have to come back and short it if anything. And that's scalping. We're very close to exits here to my stop loss, guys. Alright, this is where you get to hold your breath, because such trades, such setups are not always clean. Okay, so let's see if this candle turns red. And that's what we need, is the red candle, so we can exit that trade. And this is the area we're supposed to be. Something is happening here. I know this candle is very snaky. It could literally turn red, guys, this specific green. And just because I looked at the setup, I'm not gambling this. I'm actually trading the setup that I've seen before. And this is the target for it. Remember we said this is the target, is 19027. Now, if you're not sure of this setup, do not trade it because it's a 50-50 chance. Okay, we're in profit now. And what am I looking from this? I guess I'll take $50. That's $200 made, guys, in 5 minutes. Now, this is high frequency trading. I'm trading support resistance, and I'm actually trading a candle that's undecisive or indecisive. But I know the behavior of the candle or the momentum and the setup within this 1 hour candle. And that's something you guys are going to learn over time. But remember what we said. We said 27 is due, and the market is now trying to come to 27. But I'm going to leave it now, guys. I made 200. I'm going to walk away from this trade or this setup. I'll come back later if the setup is good again and trade. And this is a lesson for you guys. If you make money in crappy setups, walk away from it. You don't need to keep trading that crappy setup because you made money. You just took your hand out of a boiling water. You don't want to put the hand back in again because that's what it means to trade crappy setups. Especially now, we got a little scare. We were actually down, almost getting down 150. But we ended up pulling it and walking away. And remember this, every trade you take carries risk. So make sure you trade with a limited mindset. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if you watched to the end, and I'll see you guys for another scalping session.